Natural antibiotics. When you find garlic, grab it and make this recipe. Hello, nice to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Many people often buy a lot of garlic to stock up, but if left for a long time, garlic often gets moldy. So what should you do to have garlic to eat all year round? Today, I will share the secret to pickling garlic with a rich flavor, preserving it for a long time while still maintaining its crunchiness. Get a glass jar, some lemon, bay leaves, and apple cider vinegar ready, and let's get started. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Prepare 2 kilograms of fresh garlic. Cut off the bottom of the garlic stem. Peel the skin so that there are 2 thin layers of skin left on the top. Cut off the roots at the bottom without damaging the garlic cloves. Please watch the video until the end so you don't miss any details. Wash the garlic under running water. Drain. I used 2 1-liter glass jars. Put the garlic in the jar. Put 2 bay leaves in the jar. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Divide 4 lemon slices evenly into the jars. I definitely recommend you try this garlic pickle. It's delicious. 1½ tablespoons coarse salt. 1.5 cups apple cider vinegar, 300 milliliters. Shake gently to dissolve the salt. Pour warm drinking water into the jar until it is full. Cover tightly with a new clean lid. Store in a cool place, away from sunlight for 15 days. Shake the jar to mix the ingredients well. If the weather is hot, after 15 days, keep it in the refrigerator. If you like my recipe, you can support me by leaving a comment and clicking like. Enjoy! You can also preserve garlic by hanging it in bunches. Choose old garlic with dry outer skin and firm cloves. Do not take bruised, moldy, or sprouted bulbs. Cut off roots that are too long. Keep the stem faux. Cut off roots that are too long. Keep the stem for easy tying. Use thin rope, hemp, or soft cloth. Arrange the garlic bulbs alternately. Tie the stem tightly. Each bunch has about 15 to 20 bulbs for neatness and easy hanging. Choose a cool, dry place with a light breeze. Avoid direct sunlight and damp places. You can hang it on a hook, kitchen shelf, or horizontal bar. This way, garlic can be kept for 6 to 8 months and still be delicious. Natural antibiotics. Prepare 600 grams of garlic. Arrange the garlic in a large bowl. Separate the garlic cloves. Which country are you viewing from? Leave a comment. I use local garlic. Choose the right type of garlic for pickling. Remove any damaged, moldy, wilted garlic. Add water and wait 1 hour. Add water and wait 1 hour. After 1 hour, take the garlic out and wash it with clean water. The garlic will be easier to peel. Peel the garlic skin. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Put the peeled garlic on a plate. This garlic is delicious to eat with dishes, really delicious. Slice the large bulbs in half. Garlic helps prevent colds in cold weather. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Put the garlic in a jar. I use a 400 milliliter jar. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to each jar. 1 teaspoon of sugar. to sweeten 300 milliliters of vinegar. If you like spicy, you can add a few slices of fresh chili. Finally, pour boiled and cooled filtered water into each jar. Make sure the garlic is completely submerged in water. Close the lid. Shake the garlic jar gently. Keep in a cool place, away from direct sunlight. After about 7 to 10 days, it can be used. The longer you leave it, the more flavorful and delicious the garlic will be. Very delicious. Can be preserved intact for 1 year. With this preservation method, you can keep the garlic for 1 year without worrying about it spoiling. The video ends here. If you have any comments, please leave them below. If you find the video interesting, please click like for me. Don't forget to share it with your relatives and friends. Remember to subscribe to the channel to support. Thank you. See you in the next video.